and they will give you some information about our house, okay? And if you want to take a picture, take a video in the other part in our house, no problem, enjoy your time, okay?
Alright.
In here we have this machine, this is the water mill, works by natural power of the water. In down there is a canal getting the water from the river, and also there are a turbine like a big wave. With the turbine turn right to the left by the pressure of the water, this turn also turn right to the left at the same time. Because there is a shaft connected between the turbine and between the turns by the middle and turn in the same directions, right to the left. Okay? In this basket we put the grain, like the barley, like the weight, and this is the wood. This is for making small vibrations for help the grain falling in this hole in the middle. When the stone turn right to the left, crushing the grain for get the flour, for making bread, also for making couscous, for use it for the daily dish. Okay? And then here we have this piece of wood. This is like a brake. If we want to stop this machine, just we change the direction of the water another canal before the water hits the turbine and the machine stopping, as you will see. Okay, and the machine is stopping. The turbine stopping, this tube also stopping in the same time. Okay? When we turn the water, the machine works again. Okay? Technology.
Technology, yes.
Take care that, take a picture, and after that we go from this way to video. Thank you.
That's where the water coming in. जी? Okay.
Here we have this place. Actually, this is it's a hammam. It's like a sauna, like a steam bath. We use it for take a shower and cleaning our body. Before this hammam be ready for using, we put the wood in this way and we light a fire. Inside there are a small reservoir falls from the water. When the water boiling, great steam, and this steam helps us to cleaning our body. Can I have a look inside?
Right.
Cooking and man inside.
Yeah, exactly.
मुनीब इसको अंदर से देखने दो थोड़ा
आ जाओ आ जाओ
And we
जाके देख
Come, have a look. मैं थोड़ा आगे ला दूँगा.
मैं अंदर पे जाना है अंदर जाके
Okay, go inside. No, honestly, you can try. It's not hot.
नाम है बंदे को ना
That's where they take a shower. जाओ अंदर.
स्टीम रूम है
Why? No, it's okay.
ठीक है
Just go inside. आ जाओ.
Okay, from this way, please. Lady. There. Very cool. Very cool.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Okay, this is the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen open it like this. This is for ventilation and also for the light.
Right.
Then here we have 3 ovens. We use it for cooking and the break our food. First one, for example, this is for bring food. Okay. Second one for tagine, and the big one in the left. This is for the couscous. And then here we have the stalls like a reservoir. We use it for storing the water. We did from the clay, and the clay keep the water fresh and cold. Okay, for use it for cooking. And also here we have this corner. There is a canal, getting a lot of the water from the river, and we use it for washing and cleaning the kitchen. Can I have a look? Take your time.
That's the water they use to wash their plates and everything. And these are spices and everything which is used to do cooking.
Okay, guys.
She's like,
Okay, and this is a storage room. Yeah,
This is the storage room where they have their food. That's some bread. ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਪੇੜੇ
पुश्ती
ਪੇੜੇ
नहीं है पुश्ती है
ਅੱਛਾ
जिधर थोड़ी लाख
ਅੱਛਾ that's how they keep their onions.
Okay, this is the for storing our food. Because you see, like for the grill, like for the flour, the vegetables, this is like the onions. Okay, and then here we have this part for making the bread. Okay, and this machine for making the batter, for turning the batter. We follow it from the milk like a cow milk, and we shake it like this 1 hour. We separate between the batter and the butter.
इसके लिए मक्खन रखते रहे काव को डाल के और यहाँ पे अपना
We put like the cow milk or
खाने को बने जी का
And this is their sitting room and bedroom. This is where they sleep and sit also.
Kitten. There's another big
What? Oh yes.
Switch the guest, okay? We're gonna have a look inside and after that we go from the switch to the garden outside.
Isso
The living room.
With water. And this is just for planting the wall. Chiba. For making tea for the guests. And
Halal
this is
whiskey.
Hold this house.
Halal whiskey.
The Berber whiskey.
I hold this house.
This is the garden of the house. Beautiful. Wait. चाह आएगी भाई ये बैंड दी आहा ओहो पाँव ऊपर करो नहीं गिरती कीप योर फीट अप